宝宝不要太靠近，你退后。
The information in the video shows an incident in Hualien, Taiwan. More than 1,000 people have been injured as a result of the earthquake, with rescue efforts focused on Hualien. The earthquake struck on Wednesday morning, marking the strongest tremor in the past 25 years. At least 52 individuals are missing and uncontactable in the aftermath of the disaster.
那个不要摸那个电线，很危险。
Rescuers have deployed drones and helicopters to search for individuals potentially trapped in the park, renowned for its scenic beauty. Approximately 38 workers who were heading to a hotel in the park remain missing.
倒了，房子倒了，歪了，房子歪了，房子歪了。
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.
那现在消防员正在